Hey y'all, today's video is sponsored by JCPenney and we're going to be talking about Mother's Day gift ideas for affordable prices. Everything in today's video is going to be under $50, so you will not be breaking the bank this Mother's Day. So the first gift idea is going to be purses. I think that every mother that has a purse or carries a purse would really appreciate a new one. I don't believe that there's enough purses in a woman's closet because we can always use another one for a different occasion or a different outfit. So I went to my local JCPenney and I shopped around, looked around for a few purses, and come to find out I was overwhelmed by the amount of purses that they have to choose from. So one was really speaking to me and I chose this crossbody bag by Liz Claiborne. I love this bag. Like, it is so beautiful. It's a statement piece. You can wear it with casual outfits or dressy outfits, and it's a crossbody bag, so you really can't go wrong with it. So definitely check out the purse section at JCPenney. There's so many. So the next gift idea is really something that you probably would never think of, and it is a pom-pom. So this is a pom-pom made by Liz Claiborne, and it actually charges your phone, okay? So I thought this was super cool because my phone is always dying or is dead, and I always need a charger, but there's just, like, you know, you can't always get to a charger. So, and it's made for Androids and iPhones. So I thought this was really cool and really cute. It's shaped like a kitten, but you don't have to get the kitten one. I just thought it was really cute. They also have the ones that don't have the ears. So definitely get this for any mother who is always on her phone. And I think that this just can come in handy for anybody because, you know, everybody's phone dies. The next gift idea I do not think you can ever go wrong with, and that is jewelry. So I'm a big fan of fashion jewelry and big earrings or big necklaces, and JCPenney has a huge selection of just that. So I was looking for something that really makes a statement, and I saw these and I had to get them. They actually have them in pink as well, and a girl saw me holding them up trying to decide which one I wanted, and she was like, are you gonna get those? Because I definitely want the pink ones. So I went ahead and I let her get the pink ones, and I got the blue ones, and I love them. Look at these. The next pair of earrings, I had to get them because they're also a statement piece, but they're really kind of like subtle in a way, and these are also by Bijou Bar as well, and they're these. I love these so much because they're just a little unconventional. Like, I don't think you can, like, they're just so cute to me. And for some odd reason, they just remind me of Beyonce. Like, I don't know, something about this just screams Beyonce. So these are really cute, and I had to pick them up. Now, another really great gift idea would be stationery. Everybody needs a pen and pad at some point in their life or through their day. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for a pen and pad or something to write on, to jot notes down or numbers or something like that. JCPenney has the cutest little stationery set by Mix It, and it comes with a mug and I believe 3 notepads, and they have cute little sayings on them, like encouraging words, and I thought that was really cute. So stationery would be an awesome gift. Also, tote bags. It's summertime and people are going to the beach, and you need a bag to put your stuff in, swimsuits and sandals, or maybe even your drinks or something like that. Tote bags would definitely come in handy at this time of year. So definitely check the tote bags out at JCPenney. They have a few of them and they're super cute. Pajamas and slippers. That is definitely something that any mother can definitely get a lot of use out of. I know some mothers are sleep deprived, you know, like myself, but we do get in pajamas every now and then, you know, and they also have the matching sets. Now, I didn't see the matching sets for the mother and son, but they do have the matching sets for mother and daughter, and I thought that was super cute. And also slippers. So they had these fuzzy Liz Claiborne slippers that I wanted to get so bad, and I think that I'm gonna actually just go ahead and treat myself to them because they were so soft and plush and comfortable. Definitely check those out. You might just want to get some for yourself, but they're really cute and they have the little pom-poms on them too. So those are some great gift ideas for Mother's Day. I hope this video helped you get inspired by some, you know, Mother's Day gift ideas. I know a lot of you are having a hard time trying to figure out what can I get my mom this year. Well, here you have it. You will not be breaking the bank for any of these gift ideas, so definitely check them out. I will have them all linked down below in the description box, as well as a few extra things that I saw around my local JCPenney that you might like too. So definitely check the description box for all the info and the details. And also, if you are going to go in store or online at JCPenney, they also have a great feature where you can click on coupons and you can actually save extra on top of the sales that they have at JCPenney right now. So please check them out. I was able to get 4 items for under $50. So that is a great deal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll be back to see you in the next video. Peace.